Science, page 21, please. Swallowing. Swallowing is when we put the food from our mouth to the esophagus. That's swallowing. Swallowing. Take a sip of water. Did you notice what happens in the back of your mouth? The process of moving liquid down the mouth to the stomach is called swallowing. Swallowing consists of two stages. The first stage is voluntary and occurs when we push food to the back of the mouth. The second stage, is involuntary and occurs when the food enters the digestive tract and moves down the esophagus to the stomach. Peristaltic movements. We have talked about food moving through the digestive tract, moving down here. How does this happen? The esophagus expands and contracts to push the bolus down the stomach. These movements are called peristaltic movements. Put a small ball inside a tube that has the same diameter as the ball, like this. Use your fingers to squeeze the tube and push the ball to the other side. If the ball represents the bolus, what does the tube represent? What movement are you demonstrating with your hands? The tube represents the esophagus, and the ball is the food bolus. The finger movements are the peristaltic movements that the esophagus makes to move the food bolus. Ingestion is the first step of the digestive process. Digestion begins in the mouth when food is converted into a bolus and pushed down the esophagus. Peristaltic movements move the food through the different organs of the digestive system. And the diameter is the length of a straight line passing through the center of something from side to the other. In this case, it is the thickness of the tube. This would be the diameter. So if the ball has the same diameter or the same size as the tube, it can go from one side to the other.